Hey guys, in this video I'll actually show you how to use your own voice in Suno AI Music Generator. Once you log in, come here, click on Create, and then what I want you to do, instead of Simple, click here on Custom, okay? And now the first thing I want you to do is click here on Audio. Then you can either upload a recording of you singing, or you can record it right here on the website. You just click on Record, and then you agree to the terms right here. Okay, there you go. Click on agree to terms, and then you can start recording. So they'll give you a limit of 1 minute, so make sure you utilize that. If you want to use longer audio, you can go for an upgraded version, but you just use 1 minute, and the more time you record, the better your final results will sound. So I'll come here, click on record, and then allow microphone. Okay, there we go. I've allowed the microphone, and then we can start recording. So as you can see right now, it says right here it started recording. You can stop this anytime, and what you want to do is actually save this recording, or you can start over as well. And then what you want to do is, once this has uploaded, okay, is you click on extend to make your audio longer. And the way you do this, okay, click on extend, click on continue, and now you add your own lyrics here, okay, for the song you want it to sing. So let me get some lyrics just as an example. All right, so right here, you can go ahead and scroll down and add your lyrics. You can do auto lyrics, you can write your own lyrics. So we'll do this one, Ed Sheeran Perfect, just as an example. Then you add styles, okay? So what style genre you want the music to be, okay? So you can select from here as well. You can add it yourself. You can type it out. By the way, for lyrics, they actually give you up to 3,000 characters you can use. There's also advanced options. You can go ahead and adjust this according to your needs. And then what you do is you just go ahead and use a song title. So let's just name this Ed Sheeran Perfect. And then what you do is you just click on remix and you let it do its thing. Just click right here and you wait for the remix to be done. They'll actually give you extended versions of the song according to your lyrics and using your voice. Okay, so right here, the tags, we can reduce that. All right, after reducing the tags, it is working. So it is doing its thing. So we can see it gave me two versions, okay, with an extended one according to the lyrics. So make sure it has the whole entire thing right here. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.